We're going to get you all set for the I-95 Derby, the Philadelphia Union hosting DC United this weekend.
Welcome to Chester, Pennsylvania. This broadcast of MLS on Apple TV is brought to you by T-Mobile. Today, no Christian Benteke. A big day for Dominic Badji. Going to say knows how he plays, trusts how he plays. And there goes the final whistle. 2 back-to-back 3-0 wins for Philadelphia Union in what was a relatively comfortable evening for Philadelphia Union, who beat DC United by 3-0.
We have to tighten up and punish the other team whenever we have our chances, and then we have to dig things out a little bit more to prevent the goals that we're giving away. Hakeem is the last month been in full training, and every single day he's the type of guy that maximizes his time in training to be able to give himself an opportunity to get on the field. When Peglo went down, it wasn't a question about someone that's knocking on the door and ready to step up. So I was really pleased that he was able to come on and make his debut for DC United. For us to be able to do what we want to do in 2025, we need Christian Benteke to be healthy for a ton of matches this year, and I think that's important to say. That said, whenever Christian goes out of the game, Badge comes in and does very well, but also players step up.
As a kid, that's always what I wanted to do. I can't really, explain the emotions, all the advice that I was getting, kind of prepped me to, for this moment.
I think we challenge each other, definitely starting on the field, practice-wise. That sets the tone for the weekend games. You continue to do the simple things, and you continue to do the things that got us to being in that locker room. Not complicate things, but also executing. I think that's the biggest takeaway from everything.
We map our training out in terms of cycles. We'll map a 12-week cycle out where we'll have a plan and we work back from the game in terms of what does the week look like, whether it's a Saturday game, Sunday game, what time kickoff is. And then we'll map our specific days. We'll have big days where we train really hard, and then we'll have medium days where it comes down a little bit, and then we'll have our adaptation days where recovery's taking place, but there's still some training involved, and then getting ready for game day, match day -1, where we'll try and have a little bit of fun. Common sense tells you that if we win a game, that everybody's vibrant and it's an easy one to come into training. But after a loss or a series of losses, it's tough because everybody's down, everybody's disappointed. The game's about winning matches, and if you're not winning matches, everybody feels it, from the GM down to the staff on the ground. So our job is, primarily because we're around the lads the most, is to be positive around the boys, try and pick them up, try and give some good energy to the group.
I'd say we're demanding more of each other in practices. I still think that we can take that to a whole nother level. I'm a veteran, and that's something that I need to demand more of people, but also I have the responsibility of showing that myself.
So we never change our plans. The overview of the plan will stay the same in terms of how we're conditioning the boys and how we want our fitness levels to be.
We have good game plans. We have players who can make plays, score goals, set up goals. We have good defenders. It all needs to come together, and we need to execute. And a lot of times, unfortunately, it's gone against us this season, but the more times we can make a play than not, we're gonna win the games. And so it's just getting that one game to go our way, and then it's a snowball effect. I've seen it. All it takes is one game, and you get that confidence, and things that weren't going your way start falling your way. And once the team is full of confidence, man, we're gonna skyrocket.